Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to another video, and today we're gonna talk about possessive adjectives. So les adjectifs possessifs in French. En français, let's go. So, what are they? This is the first question you may ask. So, if you speak English, you may know like my, your, his, her. So that's what we're gonna learn today for French language. It's slightly different. There is like the common mistake that the English speaker do. So at the end of the video, you'll be a master and you will know how to deal with that. So stay tuned and let's go. So, as you can see, possessive adjective in French show ownership or belonging. They correspond to my, your, his, her, etc. in English. However, unlike English, French possessive adjective agree in gender and number with the noun they describe, not with the owner. So, what do we mean by that? So, you may probably don't really understand that. That's fine because you're gonna see some example. Here you go. C'est mon frère, my brother. So, as you can see, frère is masculine, so we have to use mon. But sister, my sister, ma sœur, sœur is feminine, the word sister, so we have to use ma. Okay, so the noun is important, not the owner. We're gonna see more example later, and then you will even have a better understanding of what I'm saying now. So this tab, unfortunately, there is no other way that learning by heart. This is a very, very important. You need to know that. So for masculine singular, mon, feminine singular, ma, plural, mes. OK? So c'est like my cat, mon chat, my house, ma maison, my keys, mes clés. Once you have more than one, OK? And etc. You can do the same thing like ton chat, your cat, ta maison, your house, et your keys, tes clés, etc. Là, son, ça, c'est notre, nos, votre, vos, and the last one, leur. The pronunciation remain the same. This is the same phonetic. No change for the pronunciation, but the writing is different if it's plural. So I repeat, mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, ça, c'est, notre, nos, votre, vos, leur. As I say, no other way, you have to learn it. Then let's see some key rules. So if a feminine noun starts with a vowel or silent, we use mon, ton, son instead of ma, ta, sa for a smoother pronunciation. So how to say friend in French, ami. So if you talk about a female friend, you have to say mon ami because we start with a vowel. So your school start with a e, so it's a vowel. So we say ton école. Even école is feminine word, but you have to say ton école, not ta école. That doesn't sound right. Then histoire start with the H, son histoire. And histoire, it's une histoire. It's it's feminine word. Okay. So now this is one of the most common mistakes. So really, really be careful with that. And let's move on. So now you've got like few example. Like mon chien est adorable. My dog is adorable. Ta maison est grande. Your house is big. Ses parents habitent à Paris. His, her parents live in Paris. Notre professeur est sympa. Our teacher is nice. Vos idées sont intéressantes. Your ideas are interesting. Leurs enfants jouent ensemble. Their children are playing together. So see, that's how we use it to do simple sentence. So now the last slide, common mistake and tips. So mistake number one, like saying ma ami instead of mon ami, as we saw just before. This is a very important. If you start with a vowel, you have to use the masculine form. And always there is some confusion with son et ça. That you have to remember that it depends on the noun gender, not the owner. Like for example, like Paul parle avec son ami. So ami, this is what is important, not Paul. Like if you want to say like Julie parle avec son ami, that's them, it's gonna be son. So Paul, Julie is not important, but son ami, that's where is the gender, okay? So this is just a common mistake. As you see, like Julie talk with her friend. Even though Julie is a girl, we use son because ami is feminine and start with a vowel. Okay? So I hope this is clear. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, as always, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be happy to help you. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.